Hey guys, it's Aishi and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to keep this video very short because ये video थोड़ा लंबा होने वाला है. There are 8 DIYs in this video. Yes, all the DIYs have turned out beautiful. I'll quickly share two things with you guys. First, all the DIYs that I'm going to show you guys, I'm actually using them to decorate my room, and I'm doing a room tour next week. So there's Christmas room tour coming up. I need to set up like my Christmas tree and everything, so I'm so excited for that. Stay tuned for my Christmas room tour. Make sure to turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss my video. And second thing, please make sure to subscribe my channel, guys. We are so close to 400k subscribers, and yeah, it would really mean a lot if you guys just go and subscribe if you haven't. And if you guys find any of this idea helpful, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I worked really hard on this video and I hope you guys enjoy it. So yeah, without wasting time, let's get started.
For this DIY, you will need any color pipe cleaners. You can find them in any craft store. I'm going with silver. First, take two pipe cleaners, twist them around each other in the center so you have something like this. Now add another piece of same size and twist them around. I added an extra piece, but just go with 3 pieces depending upon the size you want. This is how it looks. Now let's move on to the next step. Take a pipe cleaner, measure out the size, and then on the ends, twist it around the main snowflake stem. So you'll get 2 V shapes. Repeat the same process on each stem. And that's it. In my room tour, I'll show you guys how I'm actually using this. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I made another one in blue color, and yeah, I love how beautiful and easy this DIY is. Stick it on the wall, make a garland. You can use it in many ways. For this Christmas cushion cover, I'll take an old cover. You can even make a cushion cover out of red or any color fabric. I have a video on that. And you will need such sequence lace. I got this for around 10 rupees per meter. You can find them in any lace shop. They are very cheap. Start by freehanding any word on the cushion cover. I wrote out Merry in cursive as it's easy to write. It will only take one strand of sequence lace. But yeah, you can go for any word. Place a book inside. Starting at one end, trace over the word with fabric glue or hot glue and quickly lay down the lace. To make it more easy, you can even write down the word directly on the cushion cover with a chalk or pencil and then stick lace over it. That way I think it will be more easy. But yeah, just to save time, I'm directly doing this. Once you reach the end, trim off the lace, and that's it. Looks so pretty. DIY sequence cushion is ready. And along with that, here is another idea of decorating cushion cover. So start by placing a book inside. Now I'll be using these mirror stones, rhinestones in different shapes. Using these 3 types of stones, I'll start making a snowflake design on the cushion cover. To stick, use fabric glue. So here's a quick story. I actually saw something like this on a decor website, but it was for $30 and I got inspired and I thought of making it. And the final result is so beautiful. So yeah, this is how it is turned out. It looks much prettier in person. I'm so excited to put my Christmas tree and these 2 pillows on my bed. Yeah, I just love it. For this DIY rope Christmas tree, you will need a thick paper. I'm using this notebook cover. Fold and cut it out into a square shape. Then roll it into a cone shape. Secure it with some clear tapes. Cut out the extras so you will get something like this. Next, take such cotton rope. It comes for 10 rupees or 20 rupees. You can get them in the market. For other option, I have this macrame thread, or you can even go for jute rope. Then using hot glue, I'll start wrapping the cone with cotton thread from bottom to top until it is completely covered. Of course, you can go for white glue, but it takes time to dry and is little time consuming. That is why I prefer using hot glue. Use a little more hot glue to attach the end of the thread. Next, you can use gold beads or rhinestones, and I'll add that using hot glue. Add a gold foam shade star to the top of the thread using hot glue. Yes, rope Christmas tree is done. Such a beautiful DIY. You can keep this on your center table, desk, along with a candle or some Christmas garland. Love it. So for this DIY, you will need some wooden cloth pins. I got this one from DMart for just 22 rupees. And green glitter foam sheets. Start by stacking the foam sheet on top of each other, leaving an inch or so between each sheet. Measure out the size of wooden clip and then cut it out in the form of a triangle. I'll be using this as a template and cut out the remaining foam sheets to make as many triangles as possible. Stick them onto the wooden clip like so. For this, cut out the triangle into half and then stick it onto the bottom of the clip, and we have a cute Christmas tree. I've made many of them and yeah, it already looks good, but I'm planning to make it into a garland. Take some cotton balls or pom-poms in white. I don't have white pom-poms, so I'm just going with yellow cotton balls. Skip this step if you already have pom-poms. I'm just making some round cotton balls. Thread the needle and poke the thread through the middle of the cotton balls or pom-poms. Spread out in equal distance. Now hang Christmas tree into the thread by the wooden clips in between each ball, and cute Christmas tree garland is ready. This DIY, you will need any fabric. I'm using this small piece of my old shirt. You can totally recycle here. Then take a photo frame and frame the fabric. Or you can use a sunboard or cardboard and DIY a frame out of it. If you have watched my previous DIYs, I love using this idea and have already showed you guys how to make it. Link will be in the description box. So instead of frame, I'm going with this DIY frame. Using a glue gun, I'll glue fabric to the frame. Then write down any word on the fabric using such foam sheet letters. I chose joy. Now if you don't have such letters, what you can do is directly paint on the fabric using white acrylic paint, and that's it. Keep it on your desk. I am actually planning to stick it on the wall. Yeah, I'll show you guys in my next week's video. For this, you will need baking or wax paper. So I have this template in my phone. It's a Christmas tree outline and I'm going to trace this on the paper. I even traced out reindeer and stars on the paper. Now take a carbon copy and silver glitter foam shade. I'll trace stars on the foam sheet using carbon copy. If you are good at drawing, you can skip all these steps and just directly draw on the back side of the foam sheet. It will definitely save time and yeah, it will be much easier, but yeah, I'm not that good at drawing reindeer. So I just thought that it's easy. I'll trace them out on the foam sheet and then cut them out. For reindeer and tree, I went with black glitter foam sheet. Yeah, it looks so pretty. You will also need some Christmas ornaments. Here you can go for thread, rope or ribbon and a wooden stick. You can get them in any craft store. Start by tying 5 threads to the stick, and if you're using such thick thread, use glue or clear nail polish to secure the knots. Now tie the ornaments in the end of the thread. Stick a star using clear tape. Then stick tree onto the next thread. Just randomly decorating each thread. Tie a thread on both the ends of the stick so that you can easily hang it to the wall, and that's it guys. Look at that. Can't wait to put this in my room and decorate it on the wall. So pretty, just love it. For this DIY wreath, take an embroidery ring. Such festive garlands are easily available in the market. So yeah, take a green color garland. Start wrapping the garland around embroidery ring like so. Use clear tape to secure both the ends. Then using a ribbon, I'll tie this bell ornament on top. You can add any ornament to this, or you can make big red bows and stick that on the top. Just decorate it however you like, and yeah, quick DIY wreath is done. Hang it to the door and that's it.
So that's it for this video guys. I am so happy and proud of all the DIYs and this video. I was so excited to share this, and yeah, I hope आप लोग को मजा आया हो. Stay tuned for my Christmas room tour coming up next week. Yeah, that's going to be amazing, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye, keep inspiring.